Hi, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. This boat just arrived from the factory and it's ready for the season. So this boat has all the options. Now, first off, this is a boat, motor, and trailer package. It has a 115 horsepower Mercury outboard motor. We have a 9-inch Simrad GPS, has a Bluetooth stereo system. It has a fishing package, has a bow cushion, so the kids can hang out up there, backrest for the seats, and when you pull these out, you actually have built-in rod holders. And right behind the helm, we have the reversible pilot seat. So here in the Northeast of New England, the summer has just kicked off, so there's still time to get into the 17 Montauk. We can have you in the water in less than a week. Give us a call. My name is Mark DiMatteo, MarineMax, Norwalk, Connecticut.